Good evening, friends. Welcome to your own channel IES. Friends, today's date is 5th June 2020 and time is around 9:48 p.m. in the evening. Friend, today is Friday and today was the last trading day of the week. So let's see how did it go for us. So let's check. So first we will start with Nifty 50. So you can see that Nifty is hovering around this level and this level is 10,159. So we can say it's 10,150 levels to this level. So we can keep this range. So Nifty is hitting this level again and again, but it's unable to close itself above this level. So today again, if you will open this in 5 minutes, so you will see that Nifty again hit that level, tried to go inside, but it failed and closed outside the range. So this is the resistance which Nifty is hitting from last 2-3 days. So you can see here. Yeah. So here it hit it, and as soon as it hit this level, then it fell off again. Yesterday it made a lower low. Today again it opened somewhere here, went down, and then again hit this level, and it closed somewhere outside this range again. So now today's trade was actually in intraday trading. We traded Bajaj Auto, but there was no significant movement in that. So I will show it to you. So this is Bajaj Auto. So you can see here. Here you can see I tried to make position on this candle. So you can see an arrow mark over here. So I tried to make a buy position into this, and the buying level was 2774.10, and target was the day. The stop loss was the day low. So you can see here. So it was a 0.5%, which is 13 rupees down. So it was 212761. So this was the stop loss for Bajaj Auto, and you can see that it tried to go up, it came down, then it hit this level, and it didn't make a significant move. So I just exit my position at this level. So I thought that it will not go, because here when it was trying to go like this, so it went here and it came down. Okay, so I thought that it is trying to make a resistance over here. So I just simply exit my position at 2788. So it was a 14 rupees only. Uh, Stock which was traded today, so there was not a significant movement into this. Okay, and another stock was Maruti, but Maruti didn't hit this level. So this line was marked, so I was waiting that Maruti will hit this level, and if it will come here, then I will take an entry. But it just made a low 5671.10, and it didn't hit this. So by 5 rupees that stock didn't get execute, and it made a movement of this, but you can see that it didn't make a new high, closing high, and that's why that all the auto sector was not able to move, it seems. See, this also, it opened gap up, it lose all the momentum here, and it remained sideways. Okay, but the Tata Motors was moving significantly today. So if I will show you Tata Motors, there was a huge movement into that. But I do not trade Tata Motors because it's a 100 rupees stock, so it's really difficult to manage the stop loss into that. But yes, it was a significant movement into this. I was watching this, but uh, I didn't trade into this. So there was only movement into this stock in the auto sector. So this was the intraday for today. Bajaj Auto, Maruti. Okay, Maruti didn't get executed. Bajaj Auto didn't make a significant movement, but yes, SBIN made a good movement. So I will show you SBIN today. SBIN today, it was SBIN's result, and if you will see, if you had seen the news, that it was a significant improvement into their uh, SBIN. So this is SBIN, and here you can see. So SBIN was trying to stop itself for a long time, and yesterday it tried to close inside this, and so I just executed the trade. Let me show you the levels. So it was actually a result based trade. I know that result is there, so it's going to make a significant move today. So this is day separator, and if you will see, that today it opened somewhere here, okay, and I will mark the high of yesterday. I just made an entry over here, so it was exactly at 177.65. So I will mark that level 65 and 177 point, just a minute, 65. So this is here, okay. So here I just paused it. If you will see, continuously it was trying to hit this. Here it made a significant movement, and at this candle my trade got executed, okay. And I simply, obviously I didn't expect this much of movement, so let me show you what was the target for SBIN. So this is SBIN in, so simply from here it started falling, so I thought that it will go till this point, maximum this point. So this may take a resistance over here, so most probably it will go here or here, but I didn't expect this much, so I exit my trade over here. This was some 4 points movement was there, okay. But see, as soon as the result got down, it made a huge spike and it went till 189. So if you will see, this level was also touched in this, okay. But yes, I didn't take that, and I just exit over here only because there is a significant movement and we don't know, because the stop loss was very minimum into this. This was the stop loss, okay. So it was only 1 rupee 50 paisa actually, but I exit over here. So these were the stock which were traded on the intraday. So SBI gave a significant movement, but not the auto sector. But yes, in today's trading I executed some of the stocks for positional. So let me show you what all the positionals were there. So first one was Sun Pharma, okay. So this line, if you will see, this is the high of April month and this is the high of May month. So on 3rd of June I made a position into Sun Pharma on this day, and today I executed this and I closed this trade at 504.80, okay. And another one was BPCL, okay. In this, if you will see, this is again the May month high. This is the May month high, and on the yesterday only I made in position into this, okay. And on 3rd of June the result was there. I think for BPCL the result was there, so I made a position into this, okay. Around let me show you what was that level. So this was this significant highs, I think 347 exactly. 347 was the length. So what I wanted to show in this video, I wanted to show that sometimes if you do not find some of the stocks which are not moving significantly, or if you see that there is a divergence between the sector stock and BMI, then you can trade those stocks as well. So if you will see Nifty Energy is trading somewhere here, okay, and BPCL was far below this range, so I just take an entry into this for positional and I executed this at 364.20, okay. Same was there in Sun Pharma. If you will see pharma sector was trading above this range. Clearly it was trading above this, okay. And Sun Pharma was trading somewhere here, so I made an entry into this on Wednesday, okay, for positional, and I was hopeful that it will hit this 540.80 level, and then I executed and closed this trade. So in this video, if you will see that some of the questions which were asked, that how do you find all the stocks which make a significant move? So it's not like that every time we got that stock. Yeah, most of the times we get it, but sometimes we miss that movement as well. So you can see here that in Tata Motors there was no significant movement into this, okay. And in Maruti, so sometimes we miss our trade as well. Yes, I didn't find an entry into this, so it just came down, it didn't hit this level, it moved up, so I didn't get chance to make an entry into this, because I was not supposed to make entry at highs, because this is the high of the day, so I am not supposed to make any entry on the high, because market, we are sure that market is hitting this level again and again. I showed you in that video, in that Nifty chart, that market is hitting this resistance, and if you will see that it hit this level, so I was not sure that we should buy at the top or not. So this was the main reason that I didn't make entry into Maruti. And if it would have hit this level and it tried to convert it into support, then I would have make an entry for sure, like Bajaj Auto. Then we would have seen whether the movement will be there or not. But yes, so you can see that some of the time we also miss that rally, like Tata Motors. I do not trade into this, so I didn't see it. But if you will see, it moved some 10-12%. Some 12% movement was there in Tata Motors. Okay, so this is not like that every day we get the same significant movement. Yes, sometimes we also miss this. Okay, and if I see that okay, the market is going up and it hit the resistance, and some of the stocks which are in divergence, which are not aligned with the Nifty and sector, so I try to take positional call into them. Okay, and this is how this is I showed you in Sun Pharma and BPCL. So the main reason of this video was that sometimes we also miss the trades, sometimes we do not get the movement, and positional calls we also take like this, that this is how we trade divergence. So this is the main significance of this video. This is the main learning that I wanted to give you people. So we'll see you in the next video. And about classes and webinars, as of now there is nothing there in the bucket, but if something will be there, I will announce it on the Telegram channel, and if it will be feasible, then I will announce it on the YouTube channel as well. So till then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.